If you don't know CI/CD automation, trust me, you are disliked by your teammates. While they are sipping coffee and letting GitHub Actions do the builds automatically, you are still running commands manually and hoping nothing breaks. Hi, I'm Mohamed, and if you want to learn how to set up CI/CD automation and make your life a lot easier, watch this video. In this video, we will understand what CI/CD actually is, what GitHub Actions does, and why we need it as developers. Story time. It's Friday afternoon, and the team needs to send a test build to the QA before the end of the day. Dev A, B, and C push their code, GitHub Actions runs automatically, test pass, build is generated, and the link is sent to the QA in 10 minutes. While Dev D, on the other hand, doesn't use CI/CD. He says, wait, I'll build it manually. He opens Android Studio, the build fails because of missing dependencies. He spends 30 minutes fixing paths and reinstalling packages. While dev A, B, and C push their code, GitHub Actions tests each branch automatically. They fix any issues immediately because the pipeline tells them what's wrong. Dev D merges his code directly into main without CI/CD validation. Suddenly, the whole pipeline fails. His commit broke the build. Now everyone's automated builds turn red. The team has to stop and debug his code. Dev A sighs, bro, if you just had the CI/CD running, we would have cuffed this before merging. And the moral key message that we got from our story that CI/CD isn't just about automation, it's about team chemistry. When everyone works with the same automated pipeline, builds stay clean, merge stay safe, and no one becomes the developer who broke everything again. So, let's start simple. CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Now, what does that mean? It's basically a system that takes care of everything for you automatically. Every time we push code to GitHub, our app gets tested, built, and prepared for release all by itself. No more running commands manually, no more forgetting steps. Everything happens automatically in the background. That's what CI/CD does. It keeps your workflow clean, fast, and consistent. Continuous integration checks that new code works well with the old code. Continuous deployment means the system automatically prepares and releases the app after tests pass. Now, let's talk about GitHub Actions. It's an automation service that's already built into GitHub. Basically, it helps us create workflows that run automatically when something happens. Like when we push code, open a pull request, or merge a branch, these workflows are written in small YAML files as instructions. They tell GitHub exactly what to do. Each workflow has triggers, jobs, and steps. So, while you are seeing all this happening on the screen, GitHub is actually doing all the heavy lifting for you in the cloud, building, testing, checking, and uploading your app. You don't have to build or test anything manually on your machine anymore. So, why do we even need CI/CD as developers? Well, think about how we usually build apps. Every time we make a change, we have to test, build, and deploy, and doing that manually takes time, causes mistakes, and honestly, it gets boring fast. With CI/CD, all of that becomes automatic. You push your code, and GitHub Actions handles everything. It tests your app, builds it, and even prepares it for release while you keep coding. That means less manual work, fewer human errors, fast releases, and a more consistent workflow for the whole team. It's not just about saving time, it's about trust. You can trust that every new change will be tested, built, and deployed the same way every time, and that's what makes professional teams so efficient. They let automation handle boring stuff so they can focus on building great products. That's it for today. Now you understand what CI/CD is and how GitHub Actions fits in. In the next video, we will practice everything and go step by step through the setup from creating the workflow file to running our first build in the cloud. This is my first video, so your feedback means a lot. Tell me what was clear, what wasn't, and what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.